This is where they feed. They put feeds. Yep. Here there's going to be a reservoir for what feeds. Ooh. This one controls the water that is coming to the drinkers. These are the drinkers. Oh. So these ones up are called winches. The hope in lowering. Now, for instance, if you want to lower the feeders at every level the chicken are 1 week, 2 weeks, what? So you just turn this winch and it will roll. It will either come down or go up. Wow.
You can use those the common one.
This is the motor, driving motor, and in between this pipe there is a coil which is being driven by this coil, the motor that drives the feeds from the other side. Wow. Operating panel.